I'm going to execute you.
Please no.
Yes.
Ow.
Stupid idiot.
Please don't throw me down.
Too bad, bozo.
Kinda cheat a little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending
Idiot.
most our lives living in the gangster's
Ow.
paradise.
Little bro, you are done for.
What the fuck, ow? Bro, my giant is burning now.
That's what you get.
Ah, Rhea.
Heh heh. I'm going to eat your balls.
Chaos. I don't believe in human rights. Emma shoved my hand inside of her.
Ow WF.
No,
Stop
I
holding
won't.
me.
Holy hamburger, that was brutal. She is dead. Buller.
No. Eat this cocktail.
Oh God, I'm on fire.
Rest in peace. You won't be missed.
I am sorry. Slam.
Ow.
Shut up, you fucking crybaby. Oh shit, I'm going to hell.
I like to eat human. All right, time to clear this ledge.